Good morning. This is Diana Sescalini, and this is your Week 4 Instructors video for my Accounting 1B at Chafee for spring of 2024. Can you believe it? We've actually got through the month of January already. 4 weeks. That's amazing. So this week, you're going to have your first exam. Your exam is going to cover chapters 15, 16, and 17. So exams are always due on a Saturday night. That means next Saturday, February 3rd, is when this exam is due. Here's what's going to happen on the exam. You're going to have 24 multiple choice questions. That'll be 8 from each chapter. That's going to be worth 3 points each. Then you're always going to have 2 short answers, kind of like a homework problem that you have to do. And it'll always be from the second 2 chapters. So in this case, there'll be one from chapter 16 and one from chapter 17. And this time they're worth 14 points each. So that's how the exam works. Now, the good thing is you can take the exam twice. The best score will apply. However, there is a timer. It's 2.5 hours or 150 minutes. So if you sit down to take the exam, you cannot stop, leave, and come back because the clock will keep ticking. So make sure you have the time to do it. If you sit down, I don't want you to run out of time. Okay, and also this week we're going to start chapter 18, which is about what I call ABC costing. It's probably the most widely used costing method in managerial accounting. So of course you've got Cengage problems, homework, and then you of course have a discussion board on Canvas. So that's what's happening this week, January 29th. Also, office hours starting tonight, Monday, January 29th. They're either going to be on a Sunday night or a Monday night from 9 to 9:30 p.m. It won't be every single week. I do have a schedule up on the Canvas shell at the top of the page with the link to go into my office hours. It will always stay there at the top of the page. So if you happen to click in there when that's not my office hours, you're going to just sit there and wait for me to never show up. So make sure if you're going to click on office hours that is in the time frames that I have listed. Also, there's no extra credit for coming to my office hours, but I do encourage you to use tutoring to get extra credit points, 10 points for each session up to 3 sessions. That's 30 extra credit points. That's a lot of extra credit points. So please feel free to reach out to me. If you need some office hours and they don't match my frame, reach out to me. We'll see if we can set something up. Thank you guys for listening to me. I really appreciate it. Stay safe out there, stay dry out there, and I'll talk to you next week.